We're back, and we just saw some people having some little problems there sledding, or maybe they're big problems if they're going to get sick or if they're going to get hurt. And there are other kinds of problems we have sometimes. Sometimes at school, people have arguments with each other. And one good way that teachers have of making sure that people don't get in too many arguments is by making rules. What do you think about rules at your school? Well, I'm going to tell you a story called The Playground Feud, and it's the one that you can see here behind me, or you can see it in your weekly. All right, if you want to turn to page 2 of your weekly, here's your weekly. If you want to turn to page 2, you can do that, and you can see The Playground Feud there. While I read to you, this is what happens when we maybe need more rules than we have. This is a story of what happened in Miss Flynn's class. The Playground Feud. Miss Flynn, the first grade teacher, heard the children were fighting over the tire swing at recess time. She called the children together and asked what the problem was. "I had the swing first," said Vanessa. "The other kids wouldn't wait their turn," said Randy. "Too many kids at one time," said Estella. "How can we solve this problem?" asked Miss Flynn. The children decided on a rule they would all follow. Miss Flynn wrote their rule on the board. One on the tire swing at a time. And you can see Miss Flynn writing it here on the board, one on the tire swing at a time. Okay? The next day, Miss Flynn looked out her window and saw the first graders were still fighting over the tire swing. Miss Flynn called them in. The children came up with 2 solutions to this problem. Can you think of any others? So we see the children's 2 solutions. What were the children's 2 solutions? They're in this yellow box. They were to punish the rule breakers or get another tire swing. So can you think of any other solutions to the problems? I want you to retell that story to your parents and the adults who are working with you. And then I want you to try and think, and parents, give them some help, try and think of some other solutions. Then let me know what your best solution was and answer the questions after this video.